Until humanity can rid itself of wars, the need for weapons, military technology, and ammunition will persist. Therefore, there will continue to be demand for weapons. But what kind of weaponry and technology will be relevant? Stealth bombers? Hypersonic missiles? Smart fighters? In this video, we will find out, so subscribe and let's get started. Computerized handheld weapons. Advanced electronics are already present in portable firearms, such as assault rifles equipped with smart scopes. This lethal technological marvel tracks the target's movements and automatically fires when the chances of hitting are maximized. Next year, another high-tech mobile weapon, the computerized XM-25 grenade launcher system, is expected to enter serial production, designed to destroy enemy forces hiding in cover. A shot from the XM-25 can be a fatal surprise for people who feel safe at the bottom of a trench, behind walls, or other types of impregnable cover. The aiming system with a laser rangefinder displays the distance to the target, allowing the soldier to program the grenades to explode in the air just above the enemy's cover. Moreover, the scope provides guidance on how high the shooter should hold the barrel to ensure the projectile follows the desired trajectory. Hypersonic missiles. Hypersonic missiles are rockets that achieve speeds at least 5 times greater than the speed of sound. Various countries are developing such weapons. For instance, China has the DF-17 medium-range ballistic missile, officially unveiled in 2019. It reaches speeds of up to 7,450 miles per hour and can strike targets up to 4,500 miles away. The missile can carry both conventional and nuclear warheads. Due to its high speed, intercepting the missile with modern anti-missile defense systems is practically impossible. In 2018, Russia's Ministry of Defense successfully tested the hypersonic missile Avangard. It reaches speeds of up to almost 23,000 miles per hour. The warhead can maneuver during flight until the moment of impact, changing its trajectory and speed, making the missile practically invulnerable to anti-missile defense systems. To intercept the Avangard, approximately 50 American SM-3 anti-ballistic missile systems would be required. Stealth bomber. The creation of a new generation strategic bomber underwent several stages. The Next Generation Bomber program was launched in 2004, with the goal of introducing a new aircraft into service by 2020. The project was pursued competitively by Northrop Grumman and a consortium consisting of Boeing and Lockheed Martin. By 2009, $1.4 billion had been spent on the program before it was eventually canceled. Over the next 2 years, research explored various options for both manned and unmanned aviation systems. In 2011, the U.S. Department of Defense came to the conclusion that ballistic and cruise missiles couldn't replace a strategic bomber, but it should be optionally manned, capable of being used in both manned and unmanned modes. The new long-range strike bomber program was less ambitious than the NGB, as the latter aimed to create an autonomous reconnaissance strike complex, whereas the LRSB was designed as a purely offensive machine, dependent on external intelligence. Conceptually, the Northrop Grumman project closely resembled the B-2A but on a smaller scale. Instead of 4 engines, the B-21 was equipped with only 2. The F-135 engines from the F-35 fighter were chosen for cost-saving measures. The crew, as with the B-2A, would consist of 2 individuals. Specific details about the flight characteristics, size, dimensions, and onboard equipment of the aircraft have not been disclosed. The U.S. Air Force officially stated that the B-21 should carry a significant and diverse payload and have a long-range capability. The cost of one aircraft should not exceed $550 million in 2010 prices. According to the somewhat vague statements from Northrop Grumman executives, it is evident that the aircraft will have an open architecture BMS and may integrate components from foreign manufacturers. It's believed that the B-21 will carry nuclear bombs such as the B-83 and B-6112, as well as non-nuclear weapons such as JDAM bombs and AGM-158 JASSM air-to-surface missiles. Light Shield Laser System. Israel has developed and operates an advanced tiered missile defense system comprising various detection and interception systems. This year, the system is expected to include a new component, the Combat Laser Complex Light Shield. It is anticipated that this system will enhance certain characteristics of the defense system and provide new combat capabilities. Around 2010, Rafael and Elbit companies began working on a prospective laser system for anti-aircraft/anti-missile defense. This project received several designations, with the most well-known being Iron Beam. The light shield system successfully intercepted drones, artillery shells, and anti-tank missiles in various scenarios during testing. According to the developers, laser interception is silent and invisible, with a cost of less than $3.50 per interception, unlike the Iron Dome system's missile interceptors, which cost approximately $49,000 each. Next-generation fighter Tempest. In 2030, a pilot will have an even closer relationship with their fighter aircraft. The Tempest aircraft, developed by British BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce, the European Missiles Group MDBA, and Italian Leonardo, will be equipped with artificial intelligence, which can support and even replace the pilot in emergency situations, assuming their functions. Developers promise to release a demonstrative model of the Tempest jet by 2027, which will be assembled and tested in the UK. One of Tempest's key features is the artificial intelligence, which will assist the pilot during situations of high stress or when the pilot reaches their physical limits. The pilot's helmet sensors will read signals from their brain and other medical information, allowing the onboard AI to intervene and take control if needed. For example, if the pilot loses consciousness. Tempest is expected to be accompanied by combat drones during its flights, which the fighter's developers refer to as additional assets. PANG aircraft carrier. In 2025, France will begin the construction of a new aircraft carrier, the PANG. This advanced ship will become the flagship of the French fleet, replacing the aging nuclear aircraft carrier Charles de Gaulle. The French Navy has released the first video showcasing the external design of the prospective flagship, along with its main characteristics. The vessel will have a displacement of 75,000 tons, powered by 2 nuclear reactors, and will be able to carry up to 30 fighter jets. KF-51 tank. The Rheinmetall Panther KF-51 tank, displayed at the Eurosatory 2022 exhibition, is officially known as the Panther KF-51 and has been dubbed the successor to the Leopard 2 tank. The tank's primary component is its 130mm smoothbore gun, which can be equipped with additional weaponry options to enhance its firepower. The tank's turret houses an automatic loading system capable of handling 20 rounds. The Panther KF-51 features a 12.7mm machine gun and various modules that can effectively defend the tank against unmanned vehicles. The tank's defense system consists of a combination of passive, active, and reactive protection. Thanks to advanced technologies, the tank can be equipped with sensors to detect enemy projectiles launches, allowing the KF-51 to recognize and neutralize threats early on. Rheinmetall claims that the tank was developed with electromagnetic environments in mind, making it fully protected from cyber threats. The tank's crew consists of 3 individuals, a commander, a gunner, and a driver, and in the near future, there are plans to make a crewless cabin variant to make the tank fully unmanned. Additionally, the tank features an embedded drone for aerial reconnaissance, enhancing the crew's situational awareness. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next one. See you soon.